Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this question provided quickly. Let's copy what we have. We have square root of 49 minus square root of 48, and this is equal to okay, square root into square root of 49 is equal to 7 minus square root of 48. This is equal to square root of 7 minus, and this is square root of 48. Because this one is not a perfect square, you have to find square root into 48. This will be 48. It can be 4 times a 2, and this is 48, okay, to be equal to square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 12. Okay, and of course in this square root we have another one. This is equal to 7 minus a 2 times a 2 square root of a 3, okay, to be equal to square root of a 7 minus a 4, okay, square root of a 3. What can we do? Square root of 7 can be written as 4 plus a 3, okay, minus 4 square root of a 3, right? So that this will be square root of 4 plus a 3 minus a 2 times 2 square root of a 3 again. Okay, what can we get here? Equal to square root of, this can be 2 squared plus square root of 3 squared, okay, then minus 2 open bracket of 2 square root of 3 cross bracket, okay. Now this can be looks as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, to mean our a is equal to 2, okay, and our b is equal to square root of 3, so that this one is equal to a minus b squared, okay. And this is what we are going to apply here to get our a is equal to 2 minus the square root of a 3, then squared, okay. So this will go to get 2 minus square root of a 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.